Hello everyone, my name is Sila Richin. Thank you all so much for watching our YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe, like and share for others to learn. Today we want to look at some three very basic concepts: mean, median and mode. This is something that many people use a lot in their offices, in their homes and in their schools, but we are going to be looking at other data on how we can use these three concepts, okay, in a work environment. But today I just want us to understand what this means. Let's just get real quick. When you look at my sheet here, you see here is median, here is mode, here is mean, and mean also stands for average. Okay, we'll be looking at this. Median simply means the middle number of every set of numbers. For instance, here we have 1, 2 right up to 9, so the middle number here is median. So we are going to be using some formulas inbuilt in Excel to prove this. We are going to be doing this. We are going to be looking at the median of this line of numbers and the median of this line of numbers. Everything you see here in red indicates that it's a median, okay? And then we are also going to be looking at the mode. The mode here simply means numbers that appear more than one time. They are the mode, okay? We are also going to be looking at this from this set up here. And one thing you must take note: in order to get your median, you must arrange your numbers in an orderly manner. It means it must start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as like what we have seen here. If you say 1, 2, 4, 6, and then with that mixture, it will be difficult to get your median. Take note of that. Let's begin right here. If I look for my median, all these are functions that are inbuilt in Excel. Okay, what you have to understand is in Excel we are simply using formulas. We are not creating formulas, so we are learning how to use the formulas that has been inbuilt by developers. We want to thank all the developers of Microsoft. They have done the work for you. All you need now is to learn how to use them. So in order to get the median of this first set up here, all I need to do is click equals to. Remember, each time you want to perform an operation in Excel, you must start with equals to. So if I click equals to and I start writing median, you see here it appears here median, and I click tab. There's a small button on your machine called there is written on it tab, so it helps you to facilitate your work. So if I click tab here and I come here and I reference all this because I want my median to come out from this set of numbers, and then I click enter, you see it gives me 5. Okay, let's do this. Let's make this more visible. So this is 5. It gives me 5 here. Okay, and this is the 5 we have here in red. If I also come here again and I delete this and I go again and I start equals to and I still write median, remember we said we also want to look for a median from this last set of numbers down here. So if I start clicking median and I write tab again and I come here and I still reference all these numbers, okay, and I click enter, it tells me median is 4 and 5 because they are found in the middle of this set of numbers. 5 is also found in the middle of this set of numbers, okay? And then that is it for median. If we go back to mode, we want to find out the mode. We said is those numbers that appear more than one time, and we start clicking equals to and we start writing mode. Okay, this is our mode here. Okay, and we click tab, and then we come here and we reference all this. Okay, and then we click enter. It says 2. Why? Because 2 appears 2 times. If we also come here and we are looking for mean, we said mean is the average. Okay, mean is the average. We want to look at the mean of these numbers up here. Okay, and with the mean it says that in order to get the mean of any numbers that you are looking for, whether in office, wherever, you need to come here and say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. We have it here as 45 divided by the number of figures, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you divide the sum of this by the number of figures, which is 9, and then you get your average. Let's try it together. If I come here and I click equals to and I click average, remember our mean is the same as average, and I click tab. Sorry, if I start clicking average, okay, and I click tab, it gives me average, and I come here, you see what I'm doing, and I just come and reference this. and I click enter, you see it gives me 5. Okay, 5, because this 45 divided by 9 is 5. We can still do it again right down here. Let me do it again right down. If I come here and I click equals to, and I come and choose this cell 45, and I choose this small arrow, there's a small sign just beneath the sign question mark. Okay, that sign is used for to divide, and I say 45, which is in this cell, divided by this 9, and I click enter. You see it still gives me 5. Let me make it visible for you all to see. You see that's 5. Okay, it still gives me 5. So you have to understand this when it comes to median, mode, and mean. This is a very important concept we are going to be using, especially those of you who are working in schools, those of you who are working in classrooms. You need to understand this simple concept in order to use this and facilitate your work with children. Thank you very much, and hope you like this video. Continue to comment, continue to share for others to learn. Please do stay tuned, be patient with us so we can come up with other concepts in Excel. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.